Hello my friends, today we're talking about the 3 important aspects which will help you to make 5k a month in your coaching business or more. And these 3 aspects are crucial to actually make this 5k happen. So the first thing is your mindset. The second thing is the business model and the numbers. How do you understand how to receive money? And the third one is promotion. What type of promotion work for which type of coaching business? And in this video, we are going to set up the foundation for this. Later on, I'm going to share with you the series of videos when we will talk about every single aspect in details. So my name is Voyevoda. I'm business and brand creator, and I help women entrepreneurs to brand their brilliance, to build the business of their dreams, and truly build an authentic business based on business promotion, based on video and storytelling, so that you can truly enjoy your business. And if you want to have one, let me know. So let's talk about the mindset, the business foundation, and the promotion. But I'm going to start with the little story, which is totally related to me, and I will ask you to hear really attentively about the details. It's not just a random story. I did make tons of mistakes when I started this particular business, and all of these mistakes were in the mindset area. So if this example will help you to understand exactly how to change your own mindset, well, you will be unlimited. You quite probably will make any type of money you want, because the mindset shift is the key. So in 2016, I was really successful creative director. I was handshaking with directors, CEOs. I did work with 500 Fortune companies and with huge companies like PricewaterhouseCoopers and CBRE and Radisson and so many others, and with smaller businesses as well. I was really successful. My branding packages varied from 8k to 40k, and I was fine to sell it. But when I started this business, I thought that I'm not really confident about how to do the coaching and consulting on my own, because I never did that. And I was also a great expert on how to make people visible and really grab the attention of your customers. So I did my first huge mistake. I set myself on giving, and I didn't set any stage to receive. So I become mega visible, and I start giving my consultancy for free, and sometimes charge for that like $50 or something like that. I did make some money, but that was significantly smaller than that what I did before, and definitely was not enough to call it a business. Pretty quickly, I positioned myself as the person who provides really cheap coaching, which means in customers' mind, not valuable at all. And my giving only increased. In 1 year, I did provide so much of free content, which I never ever did before. And what happened? My mind started hating me. Start hating that what I do, start hating my business, and I got lesser and lesser and lesser attention, because that's exactly how mindset works. So the mindset, what do we need to change in our mindset in order to make 5k in a month or more in our coaching business? Here is a very simple thing. You need to set up the balance between giving and receiving. What is this giving? Giving is basically free content which you give to everyone to get, and you do not expect anything back. Maybe you expect some subscribers, but usually you do not expect to get the subscriber from every single piece of content which you share. You just create it. So you create the content. It will be video content, it will be video for your YouTube, maybe live videos, it will be some written posts, it will be some emails, it will be so many different free content. This all is related to giving, because you give it to the universe. Now, what is receiving? The receiving is some stage, some platform where you actually can get the subscribers, the customers, people who give you money, where you can receive the money, when you can receive the feedback. It's as simple as this, which means your business is a platform to receive. So, how to fix it in real? You really need to set up the idea that whenever you give, you really need to expect to receive something back and feel comfortable about it. What is the first sign that you are not comfortable with receiving? The first sign of that you are not comfortable with receiving is this. You are afraid of giving call to action in the end of your post or in the end of your video. You feel uncomfortable to receive something because you are so comfortable to give. What is the second sign that you're really not ready to receive? The second sign is this. You think that you do your business for others. Your why is all about somebody else, and you never thought that you do your business for yourself. What is the third sign of your issues with receiving? Well, you do not get that many clients or that many engagement as you want. Yes, exactly. You will get less attention because you want it, because you don't want to receive. Your mind will say, okay, no problem. You will not receive. That your wish. Your wish is my command. So how to fix it? It's super simple. When you think about your mindset, you really need to be ready to receive. And for that, you really need to set the platform. You really need to set your business to receive before you even start thinking about, oh, I have to create tons of content. I really need to post every day, and I have to post in groups. I really have to create the content. Because if you didn't set that receiving mode, you will create tons of things and you will not get that engagement. You will not get the money out of it. You will not get anything out of it. Well, you'll be very, very fast frustrated and burn out, and that's not what you want. I've been there. It's really uncomfortable and terrible. You don't want to be in that situation. So let's talk about the second part, which is really important, the business model, and how you need to set up your business model, the way you will receive 5K a month or more in your coaching business. So, there are so many ways to receive money in your business, and your coaching model, your coaching business is exactly the form how you receive your money. You really need to set it before you start giving tons of free content. That's why your lead magnet have to lead to purchase. Your smaller purchases have to lead to the bigger purchases, and this is really important part to set up. So you get the free subscribers first, and then you turn them into buyers. It's not about how many people purchase your freebie, it's about how many people you could receive so that they pay you. So the first part about mindset, we were talking about it. You really need to be ready to receive the money from the universe, from outside. You have to be ready for that. Now, when we talk about the business models, there are so many ways how you can set up your income sources in your coaching business. There are several different types of coaching business which I'm going to mention right now, and in the series, upcoming series, I'm going to talk about that in details. So the first model is one-to-one. The second model is the group coaching. The third model is membership and masterminds. I'm setting them together because when we will talk about promotion, this setting together is really important. Now, another type of income which you can get books and small merchandising products like some pillows, essential oils, and some other things. These can be really great supportive products for your coaching business, because if you're a nutrition coach and you sell some great products or some kind of buds or some kind of oils, it's really great support for your business as well. Now, also affiliate products. So these all things are really helpful, and we're going to talk about all of them in details. What is important about all these types of coaching? You really need to figure out which model is so suitable for your financial goals. When you set your numbers, the first problem which people do, they underestimating their coaching services because they take the numbers out of blue and they have no clue how to price their programs. Even if they are 2-3 years in the business, they're still thinking, okay, if somebody else is pricing it that much, I supposed to price it that much, but it's not the way how you set up your prices. So let's talk about it a little bit in details about numbers. So the first thing you need to do is calculate the cost of doing business for you. So here is an example. If you run the business from your house in New York, the price of doing business will be higher for you than if you are renting a little flat in Indonesia. So because the price of the electricity, internet, renting and everything else will be so different in these two countries, the cost of running business, of doing business will be truly different for these two different countries. Same thing, even if you take the same country, the New York apartment, say you have the apartment in the center, you're renting the apartment somewhere in the center of New York, and you run the business from a little village, say somewhere in Alaska or somewhere like that. In this situation, again, running business will be different because you will need to do different things to just live your life, to just pay for internet and stuff like that. So you really need to understand the number one, the cost of doing business for you. The second number you need to know is an investment in this particular program. So basically cost of doing business for this particular program, which means that first of all, you understand how much you're going to invest and spend by doing this business. The second number which you need to set is your financial goal. So your financial goal can be maximum, medium, minimum, and we're going to talk about this in one of the upcoming videos, how to set your financial goal. But then when you already know how much you're going to spend in a year, you will have to reduce this sum from your upcoming goal. So you will understand that taxes and cost of doing business will be minused from this particular number. So you will clearly know how much you're going to get in your business so that you can actually make your business making you 5K a month every month. And the third number which you really need to know is how many people you need to communicate and network with to actually reach your financial goals for this year. So it's truly important. All these numbers are important and you need to know them to set up the receiving platform and receive money from your business in that numbers as you want. And the third and final option is all about the promotion. So how you can use video marketing to make 5K every month in your coaching business. It's truly important to understand that not every video, not every post will advertise your exact same thing. It's truly important, and we're going to talk about this in details in our upcoming videos, but I just need to share with you this important part. Your one-on-one coaching business will need very different conversation between your clients and you, and your book and products below $15 will need absolutely different type of conversation with your customers. Therefore, your promotion will have different strategy for each type of the coaching business, and that's when many coaches actually spend much more money on their ads because they don't understand the strategical, holistic picture around the brand, about how the brand build the conversation between the business and the customers. So that's why you really need to figure that out, and that's why you need to subscribe to this channel to actually see these upcoming videos and get tons of great information about how you can make 5K in your coaching business every month. And if you want to know more about this in details, get the access to wonderful tools, you can download the free ebook, which is available in the description below. And this will help you a lot in understanding what types of coaching business exist, how your mind should be tuned for the receiving to get more money, and what types of videos are relevant to which types of coaching businesses. And you can get this information way before I will release all the upcoming videos. So if you really want to know it before that, then hint, download that, it is there in description. And don't forget to subscribe, hit notification button, because there will be a huge amount of information how you can build successful brand, attract ideal clients, be more visible and confident online, and get a lot of fun with your business and make 5K or more in your coaching business. So I will see you next time. Bye for now.